And when anyone starts with all due respect, you get very worried straight away. So if I'm a bit it's because he started with, with all due respect. I think the biggest one I've been criticized for is that I believe our politicians, Muslim politicians, must represent their constituency and Muslims, not just Muslims. In the last 12 months, by what percentage has Islamophobia increased in your local neighborhood? I don't think anyone would give me the number that the government has recorded. So the government stat on that is 19% increase in 1 year. I haven't found any Muslim person I've asked below at least double.
Do you think this kind of idea that, we're not united is maybe something that is an inwardly looking position?
If you're not listening, okay, as a leader, again, you will struggle.